My name's Ben Cheston. This is Notch 'em and Watch 'em. Let me show you what we got today. 2 walnut trees to take down. We took that maple down a while back. That was before I had all these fancy cameras. They're not super big, but they got some nice log to them. Right over the building here, so we got to watch out for that. And then the fences here. This one's pretty cut and dry. This one we're definitely gonna have to do a lot of rigging on and stuff. I think one of y'all stepped in a dog turd. I think it was you.
I think it's your breath. We checked.
Let me see what you got, bud. No, I think it was you. Oh, was it me?
I got actual tree boots on, son, not them little
oh, nice. You gotta make fun of my boots because they're small. They're smaller than his.
You want another video similar to that?
All right. I'll tell you what, man. I love these Arb Pros.
The boots are
the boots, man. They're really nice, and I mean,
they look comfortable.
I mean, I don't know how long they're gonna last, you know, because they're not really. They don't seem like
that kind of composite material these Timbs are made of, and I've had these things for years, dude. Well,
oh no, you could have put them in the climbing box.
both doors. Sure.
Y'all watching?
Yeah,
they're excited, huh?
My son loves watching the machines and stuff. And
yeah.
seeing you guys.
Oh, he's gonna like watching this.
This is probably. That'd be good shape to do that, bro. All that gear. I gotta get myself up that tree.
Oh, I didn't bring my saw with me. Yeah, I'm gonna take this little limb off here. The limmy limb. You gotta whim it and you gotta twim it. You gotta twim the twee. Hey, I'm gonna do a pop cut on this one. This little one here. Doodle-doo-doo-doo. This thing's got a pretty bad rotting spot in it, dude. Right there. I finally remembered to put my false crotch up here. I've been climbing and I keep forgetting about it. It's like it was Edgar, but he was wearing an Edgar suit. Yeah, guys, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna just do natural crotch. Is that cool with you? I think I can just cut this little piece and let them fall. I'm not roping nothing. Watch out. limb. No. No. Yeah. Right. Got my knot. I'll cut this little one first. And once I get all this out of the way, these will kind of peel around nicely. Right here. Exactly. Let me just do it, dude. It's fine. I've seen something I don't like. I just seen something I didn't like. We can rope it. No, not the electrical. If it tips those limbs right there, the butt could go over and hit the fence. Go ahead and tighten her up. I am gonna cut this little one though. Let me get this styled out of the way first. Alright, ready? Yep, and it was gonna do it too. See how it hit that limb? The butt would have flew out and I just didn't want it to hit that fence. Yeah, I'm gonna come around the back side here. Let me cut the porcupine off of here. I might be able to do the same thing with this one. Alright, ready for you, Johnny. I'm just notching it. When I get in a hurry, I forget the camera's on my head and I don't talk to it much. I'll cut it. You just put a little draw on it and y'all just draw up on it. By the time it gets around there, it'll come off of there. I'm gonna cut it right here above his knot. Nah, I mean, I don't really want it butt heavy. It'll balance. It's got a good balance to it. Cut my notch. Yank on it. Nice job. All right, stop coming out. Yeah, we'll just do them. We'll do this one, clean it up, then do the next one. Ain't much to this one. As far as ain't nowhere to lean back on. Oh, here we go now. Good. Well, I guess I could, yeah, like this. I like being on top. There you go. 2 more limbs and we can pop the top. Yeah, no. Oh, that's what's going on. I gotta get a new Zigzag. This thing keeps on slipping on me. You know, you get in position, you work real hard to get in position, and then it falls down. All right, anytime now, guys, anytime. I'm gonna just notch it a little bit that way. There you go. Whoa, watch the fence. Hey, I'm gonna cut this stuff. These things are so noodly. They flex. I'm gonna kind of knife this one down. It'll be all right. It's like a wet noodle. Whoa, Johnny. She's like a noodle. Alright. Now, put the doohickey around the doohickey and clip it. Okay. Let me come on down just a hair. I'm just roping this little piece, bud. Ready? Go ahead and tie your rope and we'll pull this thing over. Oh, you want to take it there? Okay. Okay. Yeah, that would honestly be better for me anyway because of the way this thing's leaning. Yeah, and it's hard to get on the back. How's that look? Off with her head. Just barely tipped it. The fun stuff. All right, where do you want all this wood at? Because it's like a mud hole right there, ain't it? There was like this little piece right there. It wouldn't let me push it off. Oh, what do you need, a measuring tape? I got one in my truck. What do they think about all this?
It's amazing.
She's got a little board, and every time he hears the chainsaw, he's like, yeah, cut it!
Toss it up. Steph Curry. How?
I can't hear it.
Alright, let's see where we're at here. So we got 4 feet right there. Oh! 12 foot's right here. Nah, I'm gonna just do like a pop cut type deal. Yeah, I mean, the tear out, it's not terrible, but it's bad enough. I don't know, like, I trust the trees, you know, I trust the trees a lot. And then when you add a little rotten spot, you just don't know. You know, it's hard to say what's inside there. Yeah, I mean, you know. That's why I just take a few extra steps, or I'll just straight up say no. Sorry, and not today. You know, that's the other thing. Like the other day when I did that poplar tree I was telling you about, I almost walked away from that. And I told him, I said, dude, if I get up to the top and I don't like what I see, I'm coming back down and I'm going home. I was like, you need to be prepared for that. But there was a time though when I wouldn't do that. When I was on dope, I would kind of do some stupid stuff, you know, because I needed the money. I needed the money so bad, it was like there was no choice. And I'll be honest with you, that's probably half the reason I became a decent climber. Because I was willing to take that chance to get that fixed. Alright, so there's no need to set the rope up here because I'm not using it yet. Right here, I'm going to use it right there. And then just come back up and boom, boom, boom. Alright, flip me the rope. Now, let's get this party started, bud. We got a straight shot from the porter wrap up to our rigging sling here. And then natural crotch over to here. And I mean, this setup is so sweet. There's no jerking on the stem or nothing. I think I'm gonna rope the side off over the house side. I'm gonna rope that from where it's at. I can do that. Yeah, once I get these off, there's a little bit of a drop, but it should be fine. Just barely. See my rope? My knot? I got it. We're gonna find out. I think so. Sure. Give me my rope first. All right, let me do the first one here. All right. You know, this stuff's pretty light in comparison to, like, you know, oaks and stuff like that. Ready? There you go. But I mean, you can basically let this one fly anyway. Look at my knife. I gotta get on the other side of the tree. Stop cut, yeah. All right. Alrighty. Now this is the time when I like to go ahead and wrap my double lanyard around. I'm getting ready to take a big old cut. Want that extra support because I'm not gonna be tied in. So you got one lanyard there, one lanyard a little bit lower. Just gives you a little more support. I never used to do this until I started my YouTube channel. And then some people started saying, you know, you need something in the tree. Some kind of rope. Just in case. We're roping this top right over the building off of that stem, natural crotch at the top. Got it in a rigging sling there. Negative rigging at its finest. All right, here it is, fellas. Pretty, 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 son, pretty. Damn, I can almost see Rob Farnham's house from here. Huh. Kick his ass, sea bass. Yeah! That was really smooth, man. Oh yeah. I mean, that right there is what it's all about to me. You know, you got the perfect setup. You got the perfect, you know, you got the perfect ground rigging, somebody running the rigging. I got my little hillbilly twiddly-do knot here for all the haters. I'm gonna cut it right here where my lanyard's at. What do you think? Pull it right there, leave it right there. All right. Pulled old Butch pulling on her. Well, I'm gonna throw it like right in line with that stump, you know. That way I don't have to. It's going sideways against the lean, not. Yeah, I'm gonna tie it right here. See what I'm saying? That tree was easier than the other one, don't you think? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave a hinge on it that's shaped like that. This side's gonna be up here. And I'm gonna leave it about that big. Look, Dustin. See? Y'all just leave me alone, let me. good. I want about a 4-inch hinge, but I want it bigger on that side. Yeah. Well, we got it done. Dustin's gonna take these walnut logs to the mill. Oh, he's got a bunch of 12 footers. This one's 16 foot. There's another 12 footer. I don't know how much he's gonna get for it, but he's gonna try. But it was definitely pretty fun, other than the mud hole we had to deal with. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're finding value to this content and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It really helps the channel. And leave something in the comments. I'm always wanting to hear from you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see more of. Do you want to see more rigging tips, more notch tips, more, I don't know. Just let me know something. But anyway, thanks for coming by. Thanks for taking the time to watch. But that's all we got for now. So I'll see you guys on the next one.